Hey everybody, my name is McClintock, and today I would like to teach you how to play Amar. So we're going to open up on a C major 7, going up to an E flat diminished, and now a D minor 7, going to a G9 sus, to a G7 flat 9, into a G minor 7, to a C9, going to an F major 7, and then to an F minor 6. That's going to bring us to our first ending where we have a C major 7 over E, going to an E flat diminished, and then I play it like that as well. And then we have a D minor 7, going back down to the G9 sus, to a G7 over F, and then to an E minor 7 flat 5, going to an A7 flat 13, going to a D9, we could also put that over A, going to a G7 flat 13 over A flat, going to a G7. Now we're going to go back to the A section, which was C major 7, up to the E flat diminished, D minor 7, to the G9 sus, to the G7 flat 9, to G minor 7, to C9, back to the F major 7, and then the F minor 6. Now for the C section, we're going to come up to an E minor 7, to an E flat diminished, and then we've got an E minor 7 flat 5, to an A7 flat 13, and then to a D9, back to the G9 sus, to the G7 flat 9, and then I like to go to a C6 9. We could also put that over a G. And then I like to go to an F minor 6. Then we can end the song completely here on another C major 7. But we can put an E in the bass. I think that sounds good. If you want the chord grids, iReal chart, and standard notation and tabs when available, it's all over on my Patreon, and you can find a link for that in the description and pinned comment below. Now to play this song completely, we honestly only need one pattern, and we can play what I call pattern 1, and it sounds like 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 So now, notice I'm teaching it and I'm counting it in 4, but I'm trying to feel it in 2. So I'm paying close attention to my thumb. Our thumb is just always playing here on the A string on beats 1 and 3. So I've got 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. And so I'm just trying to feel a lot more space. I'm not trying to feel 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2. It's a little bit more robotic if we feel it that way. So just try to feel it in 2, or just try to count 1, 3, 1, 3. And then just don't even count at all, just try to feel it. So you start getting that feel a little bit more under your fingers, you're going to sound great. If you're enjoying this lesson and want to go deeper, my course, How to Play Bossa Nova, The Essential Rhythm Method, is over 2 hours of step-by-step training on 10 core Bossa Nova patterns applied to classic songs like The Girl from Ipanema, Che che Gi Saudade, and Desafinado. You can find the link in the description or the pinned comment below. And now here's Eu sei que vou te amar, nice and slow. for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and also leaving a comment below. Not only does it help with my exposure on YouTube, but it helps keep me super inspired to make future content just like this, which I've got a whole lot more coming out soon. So stay tuned, and again, please hit subscribe.